KFP raid. Hi! Wow wow! Kiwawawa, wa 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 wa, wa 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 wa. Kiwa kiwawa, wa 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 wa, kiwa kiwawa. Kiwawa just finished Grand Theft Auto? Question mark? Yes, I did. Ooh! She did not beat it. I finished the KFP. I have a gun. She has a gun! Who gave her a gun? Who gave Kiara a gun? I miss you, Wawa. Bijou's here too. Oh, speaking of which, I want to do another drawing stream another time. Drawing Kiara's new outfit because it's so... Oh, I love it. There is here too. You see the sword that Swab censored you to? No, actually no. Show me. Show. Narissa came in with a EFP. It's massive. But is it more massive than my love for you, Kiwawa? Narissa's a package deal. Cute. See, this is how I'm supposed to be, chat. I'm supposed to be like this on vlog. Oh yeah, it's bigger than my love for you, Kiwawa. I shouldn't be dropping spaghetti like before. This is the normal. I'm taking Ina then. Oh my. Oh my. What's happening? I don't know. I'm blushing. 2 birds, 1 stone. I mean, we do have 2 birds here. And 1 stone. Clever. Oh, chat. 2 birds, 1 stone. That sounds like a mixtape, too. If you guys ever do like a group cover, it's gonna be 2 birds, 1 stone. We're in danger scatter. That's good though. I never thought of it. You can't run from me, senpai. I can fly. She can fly. Is she a magical girl? Oh, I guess she did have a magical transformation. Moi kyun. Who would win? 2 birds, 1 stone, or Tako? I'm winning here.